basically to link with the your CI/CD pipelines, right? So we'll continue from there. So this is the instance we have created right yesterday. Uh, it is saying they are unable to join. I think you guys were able to join, right? Vinil, was there any issue while joining the session? Hello.
Yeah, like when we are joining from link, it is not getting loaded. So I have joined from directly app.
Oh, can you please tell that in the group because others are also facing same issue.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. WhatsApp. I'll wait for some time. Not sure whether I could join or not. Reason. I'm using the same link. I'll paste here. Can you please share this link? This is the link. Okay, I can see Linesh also. Okay, let us continue. Is my screen visible? No, right? It's very screen. Okay, we will continue from the point where we have stopped yesterday. So basically, we have created a VM for Jenkins, right? So go to that Jenkins VM and we'll launch that Jenkins. Just give me a sec. Start this Jenkins. I hope I will get the same IP address. Okay. Still starting. Okay, now we got the public IP. Whatever it is, take this public IP and use it here. We need this. That is 7. So just open your command prompt and connect to the server using SSH. So now we are connected to the Jenkins VM. Now what is our next target? We need to access. So this is the password. It is under where is that root directory where it was not just copied, since it is from the what is that pd to bit. Yes, here this is where the Jenkins is. Home. Here we find secrets. Right. This is what we have. Oh, the recording is right. Set of secrets that initial password. This is the password. Now using this, we'll log into our Jenkins. Localhost 8080. Password is admin and the initial password. Password is supposed to be Jenkins. This is the correct only. Page. They are saying still they are not able to join. So we'll create one more VM and I think looks like the link has expired. He's creating it. I was on call with him, so maybe others can join using that link. For some reason, it is not taking that initial password, initial admin password. So let us grab this VM and create a new VM, basically, right? So we'll create a new VM. Okay. Go to your Jenkins. Also searching for create a new VM. Right. You go with the demo. Jenkins VM1. This package. Password. I'm just creating the VM again since that is not working. Okay, now people whoever has not able to join, they have created a new thing. So I mean, again they extended that, so they can join now. Maybe it will be like rest are literally we create it. We'll exit this VM. Okay. Now it is creating a VM. Linesh, Vinil, can you please message in that group saying that the link has been activated again? They can join now. They can try now.
Yes, sure.
Yeah, thank you. File this. So we are creating another VM. So we are just repeating the steps, whatever we have tried. So this is what we are trying. So maybe did we miss? Where is our VM? All resources. Well, let's get created. We'll try one setting and see if we can. What is that? Jenkins VM. So you can see networking somewhere. It's networking here. Networking. Click on this Jenkins VM, whatever it is. Just trying to see whether the ports are enabled. I think ports are enabled. That's why we are able to log in actually. Let us see. Okay, deployment is successful. Go to that resource, specific resource. Now we have our Jenkins 1 VM, right? Now what is the public IP of this? Copy this public IP of this. This is our public IP. Again, we'll use this option. We're connecting to a new server. So now we are at the new server. So CV to your Jenkins home. Ls CV to build. CV to Jenkins. CV to home. Sudo of cat slash and here password. Ideally, it should ask for initial admin password. And this specific provider is actually giving problem. Oh, so is that URL? HTTP colon localhost colon 8080. So again, it is supposed to ask for the initial admin password. Again, it is giving the same problem. So it is nothing to do with this. Tutorials, public IP. This is what is giving. Since this is a Red Hat Debian Linux, so we have to use the SSH option. Checking network security group, the VM plus public levels. Open document. We don't want this. There is some issue. I will, you know, maybe you have to try with a different provider. This specific provider is not giving any documentation also here. Like this. What VM we have created, remember. Is it not asking for the initial admin password? It should ask actually. Just go. Let me show in my this thing. Hope I have the Jenkins. It is C Jenkins. Let me see. Is there. H zero. Local host colon H0. Oh, okay. I got it. What was the problem? Now we should try localhost 8080. So what was the issue? No? There was an instance which is running on my local. See here, this is also running the port 8080. There was a conflict. You can see here. Right. Now go back to our portal, portal.azure.com. Okay. Actually one VM is not required for us, and actually the billing it is charged actually. So just want to delete this Jenkins 1 VM. We'll continue with the other one. There's no issue with that. So still deleting. Here you can see the status. So successfully deleted. Now go to your home, and why it is still there, I don't know. Okay, no problem. Jenkins 1. So this is your public IP. So again, go to this. Now using your this is your IP, outlook HTTP colon 800. So ultimately we are redirecting the IP whatever this IP system from this VM to our local. So let us connect for this. So wherever the state it is, we will wind up the class at 8:50 today. Have an important meeting to attend. So we'll continue further. Whatever. We have logged in. Look cat off. What is that? Bit slash Jenkins slash home slash secrets slash initial admin password. This is your initial admin password. So make a note of this. No. What is that? One second, I think someone is calling student. I think. Maybe they are still facing issues. I don't know. 0679. Okay, no problem. So now we have our welcome to Jenkins, whatever it is, GitHub. This is the thing. Take Linux Jenkins VM, whatever it is, the program. Orchestration terms. So now let us try the localhost. Again, it is going to stop, right? Once you log in, we need to generate one API token. I'm looking for that. There is some issue on this. Let me check. Let me check the traffic here under the networking. This HTTP, SSH. On port road. Add this for 8080. Let us try. I'm just adding a port to the list here. So alert port. So now we got 8080 port. That is this alert. So why is it taking me to the this thing? Try now admin and the password. This guy is not giving any information also here. It's just you see here. Linux Jenkins, whatever it is, the program included with Debian, whatever it is, the Azure distribution. Individual files in user share, that is okay. Debian Linux, that is okay. Jenkins package by returning accommodation. Text between Azure and forums. Let us try this. Maybe we'll find something. There may be a different way to log in, I'm sure, for this specific package. Getting started, not credentials, server credentials, understand the font, modify. So this is what we are trying to do now, right? What has given anything. The application credentials, so username and password. Username and password. Yes, not given much. There is something, maybe we can try that here. Jenkins package, the default username and password is user and okay. This is the password. Let us try this. Finally, it has locked it. See, this is the problem. That guy has actually have complete. So make a note of this. See this. This is the username password. See, yes, this process is completely different since we have selected this. Right now we have whatever it is. So now you have to generate one ID. I'll show you that. So to initiate SSH key, we have done this. Networking 8080 we have enabled. We got this password, but which is of no use. I'll maybe when you are looking for this specific, then we need to open a browser. This is the actually the standard way of logging in, initial login and setting up the username and password. But for some reason, no, they have a different process. It's altogether different user always. Okay, maybe we should have done that. We should have checked their instructions, right? Now, manage Jenkins plugins for we need few plugins since we have selected whatever the project yesterday we have downloaded and added in our Azure portal, right? That is a Java project. So for that, we need to install few plugins. So for that, we need to go to manage Jenkins. There you will find an option to whatever. First thing, before going to this, when you see the plugins somewhere, manage plugins. Here, you search for the plugin name Maven and Maven is update available plugins. Go to available plugins. Look for Maven. Right? Can you see Maven integration install without this? And one more we need, which is search for team. VS team, something you'll get. Visual Studio. VS team service continuous deployment. We need these two. So install without restart. It is going to install the dependencies also. You can see here all the dependent packages will get installed along with that whatever we have selected. So whatever is required for that. We have selected only two, but this one. Okay. So whenever it is ready, you can just click on restart. So automatically your Jenkins will be restarted to reload the plugins, whatever we have installed. Right? So let it restart. Let's save that password and username. Otherwise, we might miss it again. Right? Okay. User and password. Okay. So we have installed our plugins. In case of if we need something which has to be set at the global level, there is something called managed config global. Okay. So there we can configure the global tool configuration. Click on this. Here you have an option to set the global level. Like you can see here, JDK. Here we have Maven, add Maven. So I'll give some name like say Maven 3.9.1. I'm giving the version here, whatever is required here, right? So whenever it is required, automatically it will be install this specific version from the Apache, right? I'm saving this. I just added Maven for in global configuration because we are going to use Maven for our project. Okay. Now go to your dashboard and can you see admin somewhere? This we have done. Manage plugins we have done. Against people. First we will set the whatever that password first. Okay. User. And we will create a new user. You see the admin? They have disabled. See here. So I want to change the credentials of this. We will create an user. We don't want this. Go to dashboard, people. Some people. want Maven project. I'll come back to this Maven project later. But before that, I want to create. This is looks like this is completely. Ideally, you should have this option under Jenkins people, select admin, configure, set the password. That password. This is the one. We need to generate an API token also. This is the project creation, which I'll talk in next session. Okay. So ultimately, we got one credential, one Jenkins, which is running here from this VM. So what next step is? Today, I think we have 2 minutes. I can't do it in 2 minutes, so I don't want to leave it in the in between. So next, what I will do, I will create a Jenkins job, which will be linked to your what is that? Azure portal, which we have downloaded yesterday. Dev dot this portal. We have this, right? My Jenkins project. This is a Java project basically, which we have downloaded from the open source community, right? So here we will create a job and we will link to this Jenkins project in our Jenkins portal. Here, let's create a new item. Here we are going to create a new Maven project, right? We'll give that, and I'll talk about that in tomorrow's session. I need to catch up some other meeting, so sorry for that. Today, I think.
Yeah, Bhaskar. Hello.
Yes, Anna.
Yeah, can you please upload this recording because today because of this confusion regarding this link.
No. It is automatically recording in cloud.
No, yesterday even I just pinged to Ravi and he updated later. So we half an hour.
Okay, I'll tell Ravi. I'll tell Ravi to upload it. You can also message in that group because they have control full on this recordings and.
No, automatically it is. Maybe I'll check again. Because automatically.
Yeah, please. Because it is not. I told them to create some space. They have created a space, so now it is automatically recording in cloud. There was an issue in previous session. I think not yesterday, before that. So they have cleared that problem.
Yeah, no.
Okay. If it is not available, let me know. I will also have a word with Ravi.
No, it is not automatically because my observation.
No. They need to push. So it is loading into the cloud. So they need to move to your wherever you have access to that drive. Okay.
Yeah.
So wherever it is recording, that will be with this user account. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Again, so they need to move that file to your location where you got access.
Okay.
They'll do it. You can message in that group. Yeah, you can message in that.
Bhaskar, documentation also, like regarding this Jenkins, which I showed the document, right? Can you upload that document?
I'll add this today itself, now itself. Okay, I'll add this.
Thanks.
No problem. Sorry, I couldn't spend much time today. So we'll finish probably from Monday. We'll start at 8 and we'll end at 9:30. 1.5 hour will take. We'll try to close as early as possible. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.